Today we're jumping into a hot topic, renting versus buying a home. You might think you know all the pros and cons, but there are some things they aren't telling you.
I know everything.
Now, of course, you feel like you're wasting your money by giving it to your landlord.
Here's your money.
And you're not getting any return, but there are some positives to renting, so let's break it down. Hey there, Sean with The Modest Wallet, where money is made simple. When it comes to renting versus buying, most people immediately think about the financial factors.
It's all about the money.
But there's more to the story, so let's start with renting. Renting often gets a bad rap, but with it comes some surprising benefits. First is flexibility. So if you love the idea of being able to move for a job, maybe a relationship, or just for a change of scenery, renting could be your best friend.
That's why I like you.
You're not tied to a long-term commitment.
Obviously, I have some commitment issues.
Next, let's talk about maintenance. When you rent, most repairs are going to be handled by the landlord.
It's Mr. Landlord. Hello, Mr. Landlord.
That means no unexpected expenses for maybe a broken water heater or a leaky roof. Most times you don't have to take care of the landscaping and the mowing as well. Plus, many rental properties come with amenities, things like gyms, pools, and common areas, perks that would definitely cost a lot if you owned a home. Now, on the flip side, what about buying a home? Home ownership is often seen as really the ultimate financial goal. And yes, building equity and having a place to call your own can be incredibly rewarding, but let's take a closer look at this. What they don't tell you are the hidden costs. Beyond the mortgage, you have property taxes, you have insurance, and then you also have ongoing maintenance.
That's expensive.
And so these costs can add up rather quickly, turning your home, your dream home, into a money pit. Also, the idea of your home always appreciating in value. It's not guaranteed though, because market fluctuations can sometimes affect your home's value, and selling a house isn't as easy as packing up an apartment might be. And then there's a lifestyle aspect.
It's a lifestyle.
Homeownership ties you down to one location, which is going to limit your mobility. It's going to limit your flexibility as well. So if you're someone who values change and new experiences, renting might actually be the smarter choice for you. So what's the bottom line? Renting can offer freedom and fewer financial surprises, while buying can provide stability and potential long-term financial benefits. But the right choice depends on your personal circumstances, your financial situation, and your lifestyle preferences. At The Modest Wallet, we believe in making informed decisions, so whether you're leaning towards renting or buying, definitely do your own homework, understand the hidden costs, and choose what aligns best with your life goals. All right, here's a recap of what to consider if you're still on the fence. So the pros of renting: the lower upfront costs first. Renting typically requires a security deposit in the first month's rent, whereas buying involves a down payment, closing costs, and many other fees. Second pro of renting would include easier budgeting. Rent is usually a fixed amount each month, making it easier to budget. Homeownership can come with variable costs due to maintenance, repairs, and fluctuating property taxes. The third pro of renting is less financial risk. Renters don't face the risk of property devaluation. Homeowners might lose money if the housing market decides to decline. Our fourth and final pro of renting are the fact that there are no property taxes. Renters do not pay property taxes, which can be a significant expense for homeowners. Let's look at some cons of renting. So first, there's no equity building. Rent payments do not contribute to building equity, meaning you don't accumulate wealth through your home ownership. The second con of renting is the limited control. Renters often can't make significant changes or improvements to the property without some landlord approval. And the fourth con of renting are the no tax benefits. Renters are going to miss out on tax deductions related to mortgage interest and property taxes that homeowners can obviously claim. All right, so there's some pros and cons of buying. First, the pros: the equity building. So mortgage payments build equity over time, which can be a significant financial asset. The second pro of buying would be stability and predictability. Fixed rate mortgages provide stable monthly payments, and owning a home can offer a sense of permanence and community. Third are the tax benefits. Homeowners can often deduct mortgage interest and property taxes on their federal income tax returns. And fourth is the freedom to customize. Homeowners can renovate and decorate their homes as they wish, adding personal touches and potentially increasing property value. Let's get into those cons of buying. First are the high upfront costs. Buying a home requires a substantial down payment, closing costs, and often additional fees for inspections and those appraisals. The second con of buying are the maintenance responsibilities. Homeowners are responsible for all repairs and maintenance, which can be costly and also time consuming. The third con of buying would be less flexibility. Selling a home can be a lengthy process, making it harder to move quickly for job opportunities or for other reasons. And the fourth and final con of buying is the market risk. The value of a home can fluctuate with real estate market, potentially leading to a loss if you need to sell during a downturn. All right, so we covered a lot there. Hopefully you enjoyed that little summary of what we had talked about. Thank you so much for watching. If you did find value in this video, do us a favor, hit that like button. That really does help out the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It's free to you. It really does help us out. Hit that little bell icon for more insightful videos just like this. Make sure you comment below with your experiences, any questions you might have about your experience or what you're thinking about if you're still on the fence. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.